Hey guys, Brian Schroeder
Oh,
here with Buyers Club. We got our Sean and Sandy Wright with Ridge Remodeling in here. They're key members of our vendor team, so I wanted to introduce you to them. Sean, what do you guys do? Talk about your business for a sec. What do you guys do?
We do roofing, siding, gutters, windows, doors, pretty much everything exterior. We work for the budget, keep the budget low for the real estate agents, flippers, anybody in that kind of world, I guess.
Yeah.
You know,
How long you been doing this? How old were you when you got
26 years.
started?
I was 19 years old.
Okay, I guess people can do the math there. I didn't mean to do that. But so you've been in the business for 26 years.
Yep.
That is a long time.
Yeah.
And Sandy, you guys work with a lot of real estate investors?
yeah, that's a pretty big majority of the work that we do is with real estate investors, property management companies, all of that.
So you understand what real estate investors want, because our audience here are real estate investors.
Yes,
So
yeah.
real estate investors are, they're looking for, somebody to communicate well, which I know you talked about, somebody to, give a bid for the project, and you guys bid your projects, right?
Yes, yeah, we'll bid out all of our
Well,
projects.
we're also real estate investors ourselves, so
Well,
we understand it.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
To the fullest.
So we know that the budget's important. We know the timeline's important.
Showing up is important.
Showing up is important.
Doing what you say you're going to do.
Yeah,
Yes.
we know all of that's
that's important.
Yeah,
and that's what we make sure. In 13 years, how many times have you had a leaky roof or a problem from us?
Not from you guys.
Yeah.
No, when I've had the problem, I call you and you can fix it.
Yeah.
That's very seldom. We try to just do it right the first time and get out of there so everybody can keep trucking along and getting it done.
Yeah.
And you're generally able to get out to look at a property, to give a bid pretty quick. From my experience, within a few days or something.
Yeah, usually within a few days. I try to route them so that, they're in St. Louis one day, they're in St. Peter's the next, or, whatever we have to do to try to, make it make sense. So, we're in every area that week, So
Awesome.
it does depend. Sometimes we get so many in St. Louis, we might be in that area 2 to 3 times a day or 2 to 3 times a week. So
absolutely. And you, roofing, we were talking about earlier a little bit. You guys generally just focus on the architectural shingles. You don't do the 3-tabs. It's just not worth it in today's.
We'll do 3-tab repairs. If a roof needs repairs and a couple shingles here and there, we can do that for 3-tabs. But we typically don't like to do full 3-tab replacements. It's not a good shingle at the end of the day. So
yeah, you want to provide a quality product.
Yeah.
Especially if you're renting a house out. When you put that new roof on, you don't want to worry about any damage inside for 25 years.
Right.
That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Protecting the investment.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that.
And that's what the roofs do. They protect it.
Right. They protect everything down. It's important. It's very important. When some people are like, they don't have money in the budget for the roof, I'm like, well, then don't bother repairing the drywall,
Right. Sometimes we'll go to them and they'll be in there doing the drywall and the roof being shot. I'm like, we're going to wait on that. I'm like,
well, you're going to redo that. Okay.
Awesome. Well, very well said, guys. Thanks for coming in today. I
Thanks
really
for having
appreciate
us.
it. Thanks for being part of our vendor team.
Thank you.
for sure.